Hi guys, in today's video we'll be learning the crumple tie-dye technique, which is a super easy tie-dye technique. This video is in collaboration with Kadam Dyes. So Kadam Dyes has sent us a kit and let's take a look at the contents of the kit. There are 3 tie-dye bottles. You can choose the variant that you want. Kadam Dyes ship pan-India and their dyes are also available on Amazon. If you make a purchase on their website, you can use the code TIEDYEKIT20 for getting a 20% discount. Some fixative powder. The fixative powder really helps the fabric to absorb the dye to give optimum results. An instructions manual. One set of rubber bands, one disposable apron, one full-size Ziploc bag, there's one pair of gloves, and a dye fix solution. Apart from the tie-dye kit, you'll also be needing a plain white t-shirt or a hoodie or a pair of joggers, whatever you like. We'll start by pouring the fixative powder in half a bucket of water. I'll be throwing in the white t-shirt into this bucket and let it sit for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up and we can start with the dyeing procedure. You want to crumple your damp cloth because when the cloth is damp, it can absorb the color really well and help it spread throughout. I'm just going to secure the crumpled t-shirt using some rubber bands so that when I flip it over, it's easier for me to dye the other side as well. Alright, we're all set to dye our t-shirt. So today I'm using the cobalt blue color. In the crumple technique, you want to create this really beautiful abstract pattern. So make sure that you leave out some white spaces and you don't get into the niches and grooves of the crumpled fabric. Just make sure that you dye the top layer and flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Once you're done dyeing, you can transfer the t-shirt into the plastic bag that the kit already provides and let it sit for 24 complete hours. Once the 24 hours are up, you can add 1 cap of the dye fix solution that comes with the kit into 4 liters of water. Throw in your t-shirt, but make sure that it doesn't sit for more than 10 minutes. The dye fix solution makes sure that your t-shirt bleeds very less. Just make sure that you rinse it thoroughly and you can hang dry it, and then it's ready to wear. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.